In this video, I will talk about the case when we use references and pointers as an argument. So let's create some function like int, not int, if we can make it void func, which has one argument, and which will be changed here. And let's try to check if this change will affect the main function. So it's like int x go to the 1 and then func x and then like shout x. In this case, if you understand call stacks, like it will not be changed because memory of the x is not the same as memory of the a. So for each call of the function, C++ will create will reserve use different memories. So you can just create here like this, and then it will not be clear what will be returned. Where to save? Yes. Okay, so let's create something like this. Let's create the pointer. The next, let's make the next like argument as pointer to b, and let's change the address in the b to the 0 like this. Okay, so what will be happen if you take the memory of the y here? So think about it, and then you can just how to say, pause this video and think about it, and then compare your opinion with the result. I will execute this program. What do you think? What will be printed in this case? 1 2 or 1 0? It seems that the y was changed to the 0 as here. Okay, how it works? I will try to explain. So it's a memory. It's suppose it's a memory of our computer, and then it's a call stack of our program in the memory, and from the first, when program runs, the in the call stack will be added the activation record for the main function. It will create x create y, and then in the memory like this. And fill it with, when you assign the variable, initialize this variable, fill it with, so x will be 1, y will be 2. When when the main function calls the function, the in the call stack will be added the activation record, one activation record for the func. Okay, let's see. It will be like so. First, before the starting execution, it will create each variable. It will do these statements. Int a is equal to the 1, for example. You give 1, or it will calculate here. if you give something, you can calculate it like this. You can give it, or it you will give the copies the how to say copies the value of this variable. It will be 1. So 1 for the x and not x, a, and the address to the b. Okay, let's say that the address of the let's just create the addresses. Let's say that address of the x will be 1, address of the y will be 2, address of the a will be 0x3, address of the b will be 0x4, and in this case it will do statement like this: int p is equal to the, it will give the address of the y and give it to the b. So 0x2. So here it will be, okay, let me make this circle bigger. Because we need some area. So x2. Okay, so when you like do this statement, it will go to this address and change the variable to the 0. And when this function stops execution, so this activation record will be popped, so remove it, and then y will stay like 0, will become 0 here. Okay, then next question: what will be changed if if this one will be, for example, will be changed to the a? What will be printed out? Like 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 2. What will be changed here? So you can just think about it for the minute. So you can pause our video and then compare the result with your opinion. I will just clear this one and clear this one. It was like 2 before the running of the program, and it was this one, kind of like this. Okay, let's run it, and it was not touched. It was not the Y was not touched. Why? What happened? Let's try to explain. So when we do this sixth line of this code, you will just do like this. We have removed this like row, this, how to say, this address, and then set here the address of the a. It will be 0x3. And when we do the referencing and then changing this address, you will do like this, change this address. So it will be 0. So if you just do here some statements, for example, do here some statements, for example, shout a yes, and for example, if it makes like -1, then you get here, you see this out will give us -1. Will print -1 because a becomes -1 till the end of this function, and after the function executes, it will be removed. Okay, what will happen if we create the third variable like c int and a reference, third variable as a reference c? What will happen here if we just set c to the 0? And okay, let's see that z is 3, and we will give z. What will happen here? Here it will happen like so. What do you think about it? So you can think about it for the minute, so pausing this video, and I will just run this program. You need to print out the set, and let's try to this program. So z was changed. Why? Because here it will do the same thing like this. Int so is equal to the z. So it will just, I said that first assignment here works like difference, and second, third, then the following assignment, assignments is operations. So here it will take this address of the z. So here it will be like this. When we, yeah, let me just okay, let's just, so it's the memory, the call stack, it's the main function, it's activation record for the func function. So x, so we can just we've covered here the ABC, so we can just set here only C, set here only Z. So you know that how works this too. Okay, so when you give, so Z was 3, when you call the function func, C becomes, C will just give the first like initialization, C will give this address, and then any changes in the C will affect to the Z, because it's the same like variable in different like activation records. Okay, so it's all about I wanted to show you in this video.